Hi friends, today we are exploring this vibrant and exciting Bandra and its attractions during this beautiful monsoon weather. Bandra, also known as the Queen of Mumbai suburbs, might not be a new place for many who watch my videos, but it takes on a completely different charm during the monsoon. So today we are soaking in the monsoon vibes in Bandra. Then I'll let you know if you go to any other places to explore. Okay? At first, right now I'm walking along this beautiful, iconic Bandra Bandstand Promenade, and now it's high tide. You can see the huge waves crashing against this rocky shoreline. See this high tide right now. It's high tide. See the waves are so violent now. Amazing. Love such sights. It's very violent. Wow. I just wanted to start my video here before exploring other places. You can see these guys doing various workouts here. Time is 11 AM right now. Wow! See how violent the sea right now. It's really amazing. Isn't it? This is the right time to explore such places. Monsoon is the right time to explore Bandra Bandstand. Really. That was, as I told you last week, when I set out to take videos, the weather becomes so conducive, no heavy rain. So the same thing happening here too, no heavy rain, so that I can take the beautiful visuals of this high tide right now. Oh my goodness, it's very beautiful. See, amazing. Weather is quite pleasant currently. I don't know whether it's a coincidence or some magical incident, but people are enjoying very much. Amazing. And this bandstand is popular for celebrity homes. There are several celebrities, movie stars residing in this area. But this Bandra Bandstand is also popular for its celebrity homes. Yes, many famous Hindi movie actors live in this area. Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan are two of the most well-known names here. And of course, this is one of the most high-end locations in Mumbai. Plus, I have just come out of the promenade and walking down this road next to it. You can see many people are still enjoying watching the fury of the waves. I'll show you. Because you can see hundreds of people sitting under these almond trees. These are almond trees, waiting for Mr. Shah Rukh Khan to come out. Yes, well, Shah Rukh Khan's house is just across this road, and all these people are waiting for Mr. Shah Rukh Khan to come out and greet them. That's very interesting. See, all these people are waiting for Mr. Khan to come out and greet them. That happens occasionally, but I don't know whether he's there right now to greet them. I'm not sure. But I heard that hundreds of people always gathered here, waiting for Mr. Khan to come out and greet them. There's a common sight here. So all these people are waiting for Mr. Khan to come out and greet them. So आप लोग शाहरुख खान को आने हैं, मिलने आए, देखने आए? अच्छा वो आते हैं क्या? अच्छा अभी उसका हाउस अंडर रेनोवेशन है शायद.
2 साल तक दूसरे तरफ है.
Okay. Okay, oh, this guy, as I heard that Mr. Khan, Shah Rukh Khan's house is under renovations. He has shifted to some other place. So that's interesting. It's a common sight here. So this is the house of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. It's under renovation. You can see, so there is a building. It's under renovation. And he's one of the highly successful and popular actors in the movie industry, Hindi movie industry. At first the weather is quite bright and sunny at the moment, but it can change at any time. You cannot predict when it will rain in Mumbai. Mumbai's weather is very unpredictable, quite unpredictable. But the only issue is that as soon as the sun comes out, the weather becomes too hot and muggy. That's the only issue. I don't like it. So friends, monsoon is my favorite time of the year. I love the monsoon. I love the rains. Despite the small obstacles, small difficulties like waterlogging and the difficulty of venturing out for video shoots, I love monsoon anyway. Okay, monsoon is my favorite time of the year. Yes. And plus the sky is overcast now. You can see clearly. The rain may come anytime. As it is the rainy season, though we might get some occasional sunny weather, it is rainy season. So now we are heading to some other locations. I'll tell you, probably Hill Road and Linking Road, the very famous shopping areas in Bandra. Currently I'm on Hill Road, yes, Bandra Hill Road. We will explore the Hill Road market first, then we'll head over to Linking Road. Both are popular marketplaces in Bandra. Okay. This Hill Road market in Bandra is one of Mumbai's most vibrant and bustling shopping streets, stretching from the historic St. Andrew's Church to the popular Linking Road junction. This market is a favorite among both locals and tourists. So let's go explore this Hill Road market right now. Okay. This particular market is known as a fashion hotspot for women's clothing and accessories. You can see hundreds of stores selling women's clothing here. The charm of Hill Road lies in its mix of modern stores, small boutiques and rows of street side stalls that are packed with trendy clothes, affordable fashion, stylish handbags, shoes and a wide variety of jewelry. Whether you're looking for casual wear, Indian ethnic outfits, Western dresses or the latest accessories, you will find it here at bargain prices. And on weekends and evenings, the market is buzzing with shoppers, locals and tourists alike, all hunting for fashionable deals, The atmosphere is energetic with shopkeepers calling out offers. That's so interesting. And you can see hundreds of girls and women gathering at each and every store here. See, a majority of the stores here cater to women customers. No wonder, as you know, women tend to be more fashion conscious than men, of course. As you can see, all of these are for women only. Various clothing items, accessories, jewelry, etc. So now we are at the popular Elko Market located right here on Hill Road. Elko Market is a paradise for shoppers, especially if you are into affordable fashion. The traffic is quite heavy right now. Alright, let's cross over to the other side of the road now. So this is the popular Elko Market, and here you can see one sugarcane juice vendor. And of course, what really sets Elko Market apart is this popular Elko Pani Puri Center. Now let's go to the Linking Road Market, and at the turn left this way to go to the Linking Road. This is a shortcut to the Linking Road Marketplace. Okay. From Hill Road, I turned left and entered this line called Waterfield Road, Water W-A-T-R, Water F-I-E-L-D, Waterfield Road. And if I go straight down this road, I'll reach Linking Road. Yes, now yeah, I'm heading to the Linking Road Marketplace. Let's go and see what's happening there. Okay, so this is the shortcut to the Linking Road Marketplace from Hill Road. So here too you can see several shops and showrooms and beautiful lands, residential lands, so common in Bandra and several other suburban areas of Mumbai, but Bandra is more beautiful. Bandra, there are certain areas I told you before. I like Bandra, Vile Parle, Juhu. All these places are my favorite locations in Mumbai suburbs. And see, this road is called Waterfield Road, and you can see several shops and showrooms here too. There's a big shops and jewelry showroom. All these are jewelry showrooms, and it's a very beautiful line. One of the beautiful lines. All these lines are all the lines in Bandra are so beautiful, charming, and fabulous. But of course, one major issue in Bandra, like in many other suburbs of Mumbai, is a large number of vehicles. Yes, I believe we need to adopt a culture that promotes a healthy environment, just like in many European countries such as the Netherlands, where there are dedicated cycling tracks on streets and highways to help people stay fit and protect the environment. So I finally made to this another popular marketplace in Bandra, and let's go and explore this beautiful market area in Bandra. And friends, now we are made to the other popular shopping destination in Bandra, Linking Road. Yes, this is Linking Road. Though both Linking Road and Hill Road markets are located in Bandra and are known for women's fashion and accessories, they differ slightly in character and scale, I believe. But the difference is small, not very significant, I say.
This is 100 rupees top.
100 rupees, okay. Fine. I'll come back. Hill Road caters heavily to women's street fashion and imitation jewelry. It's known for its dense cluster of stalls and small shops offering budget-friendly goods, often drawing schools and college students. Linking Road, on the other hand, caters to a wider people, both men and women, and is famous for Western fashion, export surplus items, and trendy footwear. See, these handbags are so budget friendly and stylish as well. And this is another famous shopping hub for women's footwear and fashion. Just across the road from the famous RD National College in Bandra lies this bustling line of street vendors that has become a go-to shopping spot for many college students, especially young women. This stretch, located right on Linking Road, is packed with colorful stalls offering a wide variety of fashionable women's footwear and clothing at pocket-friendly prices.
लाइन चलते हैं यहाँ पे देखो क्या मालूम पड़ता है
At first, I've just entered this beautiful garden located very close to Linking Road. Bandra has so many such lovely garden spaces where people can relax, go for their routine walks or runs, and where children can play. It's a very beautiful garden next to Linking Road. There is also one meditation areas, very beautiful. Lovely garden. There's hundreds of people sitting, relaxing, walking, jogging, all types of activities here. And plus, since we are already in Bandra, I don't want to miss visiting my most favorite location here, Pali Hill. So now we are heading straight to Pali Hill, the beautiful and exclusive Pali Hill. Okay. First, this is Pali Naka or Pali Junction. Now I will turn left and head straight to reach the popular, beautiful Pali Hill area. This way. This way to go. And friends, the weather favored me today as well. I've been walking around Bandra since morning. Apart from a few drizzles, there hasn't been any heavy rain so far. That's a great thing. Now I entered the Pali Hill area. Let's go explore this beautiful place right now. This is my favorite spot, one of my most favorite spot in one of my favorite locations in Bandra, Pali Hill. You can see the board Pali Hill Residents Association. Pali Hill stands as one of the most prestigious and picturesque neighborhoods in the city, known for its quiet tree-lined lanes, colonial bungalows and celebrity residences. Pali Hill offers a striking contrast to the hustle and bustle that defines much of Mumbai. With a rich history and a graceful blend of old-world charm and modern luxury, this upscale locality has long been a favorite of film stars, artists and business magnates. Pali Hill's origins date back to the colonial era when it was part of a group of hilly villages on the outskirts of Mumbai. Originally sparsely populated and covered with greenery, the area gradually developed as a residential retreat for the elite. Over the years, many prominent personalities from Bollywood and the cultural circles of Mumbai made Pali Hill their home, giving it a glamorous reputation that continues even today. And what makes Pali Hill unique is, of course, its abundance of greenery. Unlike the tightly packed high-rises in many parts of Mumbai, Pali Hill retains a low-rise, garden-filled landscape. The winding lanes are shaded by various trees and flowering plants, offering residents and visitors a breath of fresh air. Many famous Bollywood actors, musicians and producers have lived or still live in Pali Hill. The area is home to a mix of vintage villas, many of which date back to the early 20th century. And of course, alongside stylish modern apartments that you can see everywhere. And Pali Hill is well connected to some of the most happening spots in Bandra such as Carter Road Promenade, Pali Naka, Mount Mary Church, and Bandra Fort and Bandstand. And Pali Hill is not just a residential area, it's a way of life. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning coffee at a boutique cafe, attending a house party in a heritage bungalow, or bumping into a film star on a quiet evening walk, Pali Hill radiates a lifestyle that's both elite and understated. Just after Pali Hill, I've reached another beautiful location in Bandra called Carter Road, C-A-R-T-E-R, Carter Road. Carter Road is an extension of Bandra Bandstand Promenade. Okay, it's too dark right now. It's very dark right now. And so it's time to end my video. I'm signing off. I'll see you next Friday, 5:45 p.m. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much for your support. Bye-bye. Take care. So I'll see you at the Bandra railway station. Let me say one more thing I want to tell you. If you haven't subscribed to my video, please subscribe, share and like, and watch till end if you like the content. Okay, that's my request. And please comment me if you like the video or not. That will help me, okay, immensely. So I appreciate your comment, highly appreciate your comment. So do comment in the comment section. Okay, bye bye. See you next Friday.
मॉर्निंग में पॉलिसी रखने लेके